you're still not subscribed to Kickz Trickz, man, you don't know what you're missing. You know, a lot of people are subscribed, or some people don't want to subscribe or don't know how to subscribe. But let me show you. Make sure you stroll over to the Kickz Trickz page where you see all the latest information on all the latest episodes. The reason why you're missing out on all the free stuff, because you're not subscribed and the notification bell is not on. Make sure you turn that thing on and you are good to go. Also, don't forget, when you go to the Kickz Trickz page, go to the channels, man. We got other shows that's actually moving from the partition. And we have the King's Lounge, which is our newest prize. Shout out to Booker and their success over there at the King's Lounge. Until then, thank you and have a nice day.
Welcome back to Kickz Trickz. It's your boy T Carter.
This is your boy Lil Ron. Today is a very special episode. First off, we want to apologize for the last few weeks. You guys been looking for episodes with Kickz Trickz, and you guys haven't been able to get it because we working on the Ryko Boys movie, and we got other stuff that we're working on too.
Yeah, we real busy right now, man. We got a lot of stuff going on, but you know, like always, we back at it.
Yes. You know, this is a good episode. This episode is going to be different. You know, we always, throughout the last few months and years, we've been hit with, approached with, how do you know if Jordans are real or if they're fake?
Yeah.
So what we decided to do, we've been having a sneaker that we've been holding on to for at least about 3 or 4 months since we started the Ryko Boy movies, and y'all know how long we've been doing this. So what we decided to do, this will be the first and only unboxing of an actual Nike tennis shoe, because we don't know what's in the box until we actually pull it out. But before we do that, somebody told me on the last episode I didn't do my traditional thing, so I'm gonna start it off and I'm gonna do it right. 2005. That was a good year.
05, man. Ooh.
That was a good year. One of my good movies, my favorite movies that came out of all times. You know what movie that is?
05.
Yeah, you should know this one.
05, man. Go ahead, bless me, man.
You know, you gotta get in there and you gotta sing it, man, like you mean it, man.
05 Heartbeats?
No! Ooh. Hustle and Flow.
Oh, yeah, Hustle and Flow.
Remember he told him to get in the room.
Say, man. you got to deliver that, man.
You got to deliver that, man. Man, that was a good movie, man. 2005
I can't lie, that was a good movie. I can watch that movie every time. Come on.
And I'm going to tell you something else. I'm going to give you a trivia. 2005 actually started the launch of E02.
Yeah.
When people first started doing unboxing this up in 2005.
2005, yeah.
So, what we're going to do today is we're going to do our first unboxing. Now, this right here is going to be, this is the box. Before we unbox and do anything we're going to do, I want to show everybody that nothing.
It's sealed.
It's sealed and everything. And you see how Nike, they switched it up. Yeah. Remember back then they had the black tape with the Just Do It?
Just Do It.
Okay, so this is the box.
Now they changed the way you got to actually peel it open.
That's right. So nothing has been tampered with. So I'll let you do the honors and you pull and you unbox it. Nike, they got a thing right here now. You can just pull it.
Now you got to pull it tab on it. Pull it on, pull. Yeah, whatever you tell.
This is the answer to y'all question. Because y'all always asking these questions about people with all these different tennis shoes. If it's real or fake, we're going to find out. Keep in mind, we don't know what's inside of this box. So we're going to turn it around. Turn it around, let them see. Well, one thing we do know, it's a Jordan in there. We know it's a Jordan.
Jordan right there.
Okay, so we'll just take it and we'll just turn it up. A receipt. Okay.
So we got the Jordan right here.
Okay, so the box is empty. One thing I do want to give a good detail. Nike now have a QR code.
QR code.
And it's got their lettering on the box. And the thing about recycling.
Oh!
Hold on, wait.
Yeah.
I wasn't expecting that one. That caught me off guard.
Yeah,
I'm not trying to be funny.
this is a nice boy right here. I remember when he first came out.
Okay, for those who don't know, we haven't pulled out of the box yet. I'm gonna let T pull it out. Hey, Nike plug, you better send a size 12 to this, man. I'm gonna get in trouble.
We got this suede on him.
Oh man, and when we was talking about this,
Talking about this shoe.
man,
They can bring it back.
man, that's the Houston Rockets colorway.
It's the rock colorway of like the Cardinal was the Houston Rock colorway.
Yes,
And it has the good suede on it.
and look at the box. You got the
Look at the box.
quality control sticker in there.
Sticker inside.
Oh, they switched something up.
You got all your figure stamps on the bottom.
Remember, Nike used to have the price thing right here.
Now they took the price thing off.
Price is now no longer on the front of the box. Show them T so they can see.
No longer on the front of the box.
It's not on the front of the box. So if y'all got some Kickz and it's got the price tag on the front of the box.
Then you can see on the QR code, if you actually rub across it, you can feel the ridges on it.
Mm-hmm. So that's your unboxing right there.
Yeah, there's a lot of cats, man, running around with some okey dokes on the Kickz, man.
And you know, so this is straight, and this is another question. People always ask this. This is straight from Nike. You see the box kind of got a little dent in here, so this is straight from Nike. So as you can actually see,
you gotta realize too, as you get the shipping and boxing, they just throw them
going back and forth.
Yeah, they just throw them out in the truck and they get bent. But
I want to talk about the detail on this shoe.
They did this.
Oh man,
That suede
this is the original suede.
That's the original suede.
Wow.
That's the original suede right here.
Oh, and then they got these. I haven't seen one of these in the Jordan shoe in a long time.
They had stopped for a while, and they used to do them in the ones all the time.
Oh wow, man.
Yeah, they did that.
Oh, Nike slick. Hold
I've been
on.
waiting on my 12.
I gotta look, bro. Oh, they switched it up.
They went back to the regular whisk column.
Hey, all you people out here with these shoe trees in your shoe, you just found out. We just showed you firsthand. This is smart, man. This is to switch the game up.
They went back to the old school paper.
So it's old school paperweight is in the shoe. So y'all got Jordan tennis shoes. It got shoe trees in them. Hey, man, I'm just telling you, this coming straight from Nike. So I seen this. This is, I thought it had a shoe tree in the inside of it.
Yeah, just they switched it up.
That's suede. Oh, bro.
Yeah,
that ain't nubuck,
That's
is
not
it?
nubuck. That's the real suede.
Oh,
They
wow.
changed the colors.
Man,
They
this
change
is,
color when you go both different directions.
wow. Is that the original? Did it always be like that in
It
the back?
always had that, but I think they changed this part. The triangles is a little different, but yeah.
The triangles is actually different now.
But they did that.
And
That H-Town, Houston Rocket.
it's and I'm gonna show you another imperfection. Look at the glue stains.
Yeah, blue stains.
As you can see, the glue stains on there is actually it's a mistake. So like I say, no shoe. I tell people all the time, no Jordan tennis shoe comes out 100% perfect because they're handmade.
It's all handmade.
Even look at the back. Look at it.
Yeah, it's all handmade, you know.
Even in the back, as you can see right here, this is not always stitched down all the way.
And you can go buy 5 pairs of the same shoes.
They'll never be the
At
same.
different locations, they'll never be identical. It's a handmade shoe.
Man, it's a D. Speaking of sevens, Carmine's supposed to be coming pretty soon. Man, Nike, send that size 12, man. You need to send that like ASAP, man.
12, man. That's
Yeah.
12. I gotta have that. That's a bad boy right there.
So when you receive your 12, are you gonna rock it? Or are you gonna stock
That's
it?
a black shoe. I gotta rock that.
Man, and that goes with the Kickz and
Yeah,
Tricks.
the good thing about that, with any of the black shoes, you can rock these. And this goes with what is it, Iron Man?
Actually, that's the
Iron-
no, not the Iron Man.
What's that out there?
It's the Houston Rockets colorway right there by
Yeah,
you.
right here.
Yeah, we got the Houston Rockets colorway.
So if you can, we get Kato to zoom in on that later on the thumbnail. Perfect combo in black, and like I say, it's getting ready. It's getting ready for the
And
for the
look at the paint. See right
fall.
there,
It's
you
a good
can.
paint. They got
Yeah.
the shiny on it. Yeah, they did that.
Yeah, man, this is an excellent. What is your favorite Jordan 7 shoes? And look, even look straight from there. Look, it's already dirty.
It's already there. Yeah.
See, it's already dirty. So I don't know if y'all in the warehouse wearing these Nike before y'all turn back around and give them to people. No, I'm just saying, man, because I mean, this is.
It be like that sometimes, man. I didn't got some shoes out the store, but like, God damn, hold on, bro, this probably brand new.
And see right here, even look.
Yeah, it be a little crazy.
Yeah.
That's what it be when they put them together, man, and they be smushing them and all that there. But me, my favorite 7, I gotta go with the old school Bardo, man.
You know, the Bardos was a real good shoe.
That's a classic shoe right there, man.
Besides the Bardos, what is another 7 that you actually cut for?
I don't know the exact name, but it's an all gray one. with the blue and blue on. I got it, but I can't remember what the exact name of it.
I know what you're talking about.
That
yes.
shoe there, when they came with that one, they threw it, they switched it up, and it's another one. They came out with when it was like that one, the gray one. Then right behind it, it was one like black with a twerk cars with a fuchsia.
Yes.
They came out with them color, and then on the tongue, it's like some it's like fluorescent on the tongue.
They haven't dropped that shoe in a long time.
They haven't dropped it in a long time. Them was like all them shoes there. When them three came back to back, they was all limited editions because they came out with the Martians.
That's right.
The Martians. They had one behind it called it was the Joker or something like that. They dropped a series, and they was all limited editions. Them shoes there was all rare because everybody they couldn't get them.
And you know something too, that another thing I do want to actually kind of point out on this shoe I'm looking at. People always talk about, man, your stitching supposed to be perfect. That's not the fact. Cause I'm looking at here, I see some bad stitching right there. I see some bad stitching right here.
The thing is, you putting these just say rubber decals on suede. And anybody know that if you know a 7. The way these 7s are made. Do this normally be straight or is it crooked? It's crooked like that. It's always crooked. Okay. It's always crooked like that.
Okay.
Yeah, but see, it goes off there. See how you got that the cut in the back with the
V?
Oh
man, I never knew that. I just learned something.
When you go with the cut with the V, they put it exactly to match that cut.
I got you.
Yeah. All that is just to pull your shoe up. But yeah, this is a nice shoe, man. That Houston Rockets, man, they did this right here, man. That's.
So what's another Jordan 7 that you like?
Oh, let me think. I can't forget the UNC, the white with the blue and the gray.
I was waiting. That's my son's favorite shoe.
That's my go-to right there.
Man,
that's my go-to shoe.
Like the Orlando Magics.
Yeah, that's my go-to shoe right there. You can't go wrong with that. I'd had that shoe for a while, and every time I bring that shoe out, people are like, when them came back out? I'm like, no, it's the same one.
You know me, I'm gonna go with they had some black and silver 7s that came out.
Yeah, I know what you're talking about.
I like them. I can't forget the Cardinals.
Oh yeah, the Cardinals, them my classics, man. I got them in the box right now. I need a new pair because my dad, when I first got them, I was wearing 11.5.
Oh man, I still got mine. Mine. I got not the originals, but when they brought them back with the silver tips.
Yeah, when they brought them back, I passed on them because of the silver tips. I want them to come back with the original colorway like they did the first time.
Well, they supposed to be
coming out with it.
Supposed to be coming out.
With rumors saying it's gonna drop, but they keep pushing it back.
Yeah.
But I got it. The only thing I don't like about that shoe is the tongue.
Yep.
If you don't wear them or not, it starts turning yellow.
That's right. You sure right. You're right about that shit.
That's the only downside I hate about that shoe is the tongue starts turning yellow.
And the next shoe is going to be, this is my first time obtaining this particular shoe. Cause my brother had it years ago. I didn't get a chance to actually get this particular shoe.
Yeah, me too. When it first came out, I didn't get this shoe.
And the Raptors like this.
Yeah, I got the Raptors.
Yeah, I like
the Raptors out every now and then. Okay. Every now and then, shoe, they got the same suede like this.
Yes.
Yeah.
So let's go to the chair and let's see what we're rocking today. And let's go to the chair. Welcome back to Chair Talk. Today, you know what I pulled out. I decided to rock the Air Jordan 7 Citrus. I think that's what they call them. They call them the Citrus. Citrus 7.
They call it Citrus 7s.
Yeah, the 7 was a classic shoe. It goes good with that Kickz Trickz colorway. But yes. You are right. It do also match the Iron Man too.
Yeah, it matches the Iron Man too.
So he can go either way.
You can go either way with that unit.
Yeah, man, because that's a smooth colorway, man. What you decide to rock?
Man, today, I just kept it casual, you know what I'm saying? Pull out the army green with the army green, you know what I'm saying? Dunks, camos. Man,
the camos, man, people still looking for that shoe right now.
People still looking for that shoe, man. It's still a high commodity. People still, when they see this shoe, they acting like, man, when them came out, or when they come out, I need to get those. Like, hey, they been came out, it's just hard to get your hands on them.
A lot of people that don't know, man, that I'm glad we did this unboxing with these tennis shoes. We educated a lot of people, especially the people that out here buying shoes and thinking they legit and they come from Nike.
So a lot of people be pulling out some shoes and be styling, profiling, and come to find out.
Faking and shaking.
Yeah, faking and shaking, you know. And then, hey, boy, to each his own. But you can't trust everybody that sells shoes.
Yes, another thing too, Nike shocked me because normally in the past when I bought my tennis shoes, it's always a receipt that Nike give you in the box.
A receipt in there, and they used to put a little like the price tag on the box.
Yes, they don't even do it no more. So that's another way to stop the bootleggers.
Another thing about the box too, they don't put the tape on it no more.
Yes, they took that away.
Yeah, they took that away.
But they got the QR code on the box.
QR code on the box, and it's a pull tab that you break the box open like the envelopes.
Yes,
so that's a good thing too. So. Like I say, we're gonna see how long that lasts.
Yeah, because before the bootleggers start doing it,
they gonna catch on to it and figure out a way how to mimic it and go from there.
Yeah, I like how because the original 7s didn't come in that Jordan box. Remember? No. It was a whole different Jordan box that came in. But I like how they end up doing it. They say, hey, let's give it the old school classic box.
The original 7s used to come in the box like
with the Michael Jordan face on the front.
With the Michael Jordan face on the front. Then they switched it up one time. Remember the box with the 12s?
The brown box.
The brown box with the
yes.
That's how the 7s used to come.
Yes. Matter of fact, I think they came originally. I think they came in that box. In the brown box.
The brown box originally came in.
Yes. So they went back to the old school on that one right there, which I kind of liked that how they actually did. They kept the original. Basically, I think that shoe could be classified as straight all original. Everything was original on it?
I think that's the original shoe when they went to switch the colorway. Remember, that's basically the reverse. From the Cardinal.
Gotcha. Yeah, you're sure right. And I can't wait to actually rock the Cardinals, man, on another episode. Now, I don't have the latest one, but I still got my original that I'm going to bring up here.
Yeah, I got my original. I'm going to pull them out. You know, they still good to go besides the tongue a little yellow. They still good to go.
My tongue on mine is, it's in pretty good shape. I just had a problem with the side. You can tell on the side where the colors are is actually different. That's basically it. Everything else look pretty good. Okay, well, until next time, man. Rock it.
Stock it.
Or drop it. Your chance to win the latest kicks and more.
We out.
Peace. Hold on 1 second. Thank you for choosing us, and I hope you enjoyed this latest episode of Kickz and Trickz. Once again, notification bell. Easy and simple. Thumbs up. If you don't like it, no problem with a thumbs down. But no matter what, we are trying to strive to give you guys all the content you need. So like I tell Richard, aka Kato, get the cameras out of my face. Yeah, man, back to what you say now?